How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make chilaquiles, a very simple and easy recipe to make, one that I grew up with as a kid. Let's get started. For this recipe I will also be using pico de gallo. I do have a video that I will link down in the description below if you guys need references. So what you're going to need for the chilaquiles is corn tortillas, el pato sauce, tomato paste or tomato sauce if you have it, cotija cheese, eggs, tomatoes, yellow onion, cilantro, salt, and some oil. So what you're going to start off with is cutting the tortillas into quarters. My personal preference is using 6 inches just because it is the perfect size. Next, you're going to want to move on to opening the can of tomato paste. Once that is opened, mix it with 1 can of water. You can use that same can. What you want to get is an equal portion of tomato paste to water. That's how you make tomato sauce. Once you've mixed the water and the tomato paste together, add the pato sauce into it and mix that as well. What you're going to want to do next is heat up a lot of oil in a nice sized saucepan. I recommend using a lot of oil because the tortillas will soak up a lot of it. Once the oil is heated, proceed to throw in the corn tortilla triangles, and you're going to want to kind of get like a fried look to it. Some of it's going to be soft, but it's mostly going to be kind of crunchy like a chip. Once the tortillas are fried, you're going to want to mix in the tomato el pato sauce mixture and make sure that all the tortillas have a nice covering of sauce on them. Once you've mixed the sauce in with the tortillas, what you're going to want to do is move all that to one side and leave a little space for some eggs. Crack the eggs into the pan onto the side and just begin to make a scrambled egg mixture within it. Once you have the eggs nice and scrambled, what you're going to want to do is mix it in with the tortillas. And that's pretty much how you make chilaquiles. The rest of the assembling is super easy. I don't think I need to say anything. For the assembly, I just added some pico de gallo, a little bit of cotija cheese, and sour cream to it because that's the best combo for it. Once everything's assembled, you have a full plate of chilaquiles. And that's how you make chilaquiles. If you like this video, consider hitting the like button down below along with the subscribe button. I will be posting videos every Sunday of just random things, whatever I feel like making. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Take care.